Hello students, today we see how you draw a histogram and frequency polygon of continuous frequency distribution. If you are given a discrete frequency distribution, then you convert it into the continuous frequency distribution and then draw a histogram. Now, to draw a histogram, if you have given the variables and corresponding frequency of that variables, then you take all the variables on the x-axis and corresponding frequencies on the y-axis and then plot the points. Then you join the plotted points by means of a straight line. So you get the frequency curve. Or you have given the class intervals and corresponding frequency of that class intervals. Then you take all the class intervals on x-axis and corresponding frequencies on y-axis. Then you erect the rectangles on the class intervals corresponding to the frequencies. And so diagram obtained is called the histogram. And the areas of the rectangles is proportional to the heights of the frequency distribution. Now we take one example. Draw a histogram of the frequency distribution of the following frequency distribution. So you take the class interval as class intervals and corresponding frequency of that class intervals are given. Suppose your class intervals are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50 suppose. And corresponding frequencies are 2, 18, 21, 5 and 4. Now you have to draw the histogram of the frequency distribution. This you are given the class intervals and frequency of the class intervals. So I have told you, to draw a histogram, you take all the class intervals on x-axis and corresponding frequency on y-axis. Suppose this is y-axis. You take the suitable scale. This is the x-axis. Here your class interval starts from 0 to 10. So 0 to 10. So you take the scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 1, suppose. Here 0, then 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. And corresponding frequencies, you take the suitable scales. You take scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 on x-axis and 2 centimeter is equal to 1 on y-axis. Here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, then 18, then 20, 22. Then you frequency of the first class interval 0 to 10 is 2. So you take 2 here point. Then frequency of class interval 10 to 20. 10 to 20. So is 18. You take point this here. Then 20 to 30. 20 to 30, 21 means here. And 30 to 40, 30 to 45, 30 to 40. Here. And 40 to 54, 30 to 45, and here 4. Then you erect the rectangles. So in this way you erect the rectangles. So diagram is obtained is called the histogram. Now if you draw a frequency polygon, here the class intervals are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. These are the continuous class intervals. Then to draw a frequency polygon, you join the middle points of each rectangle by means of a straight line. So you join that points by means of straight lines, these. So this polygon is called the frequency polygon in case of continuous frequency distribution. If you have given only, I have already told you, if you have given variables and frequency, you plot the points and you join the plotted points by means of a straight line. So this is known as the histogram and frequency polygon of continuous frequency distribution. Thank you.